Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show something that I discovered that is not really a good thing, but on the other hand it is. It's all about molds and the stuff that happens when we use them. So if that sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. This is a project that I made with leftover resin, and I wanted to make a bloom with the leftovers, and this is what I do now. Yeah, and then I just have to let that cure. So it's about demolding time, and you can see my bloom has bloomed, and yeah, I'm taking it out of the mold. And what I have seen on the surface of that piece that I made there was really surprising to me. And yeah, the reason for that is that this is an old mold, and it has some marks on it that really, yeah, showed up in the piece that I made. And as you can see here, you see those matte areas on the surface of this bloom. Yeah, this is an old mold, and I used it fairly enough times, and yeah, this has really surprised me. So this is the mold up close, and as you can see, you can really see where the markings were, and yeah, I will show you how those markings got to be in the mold. So you can see on the left side, this is the piece that I made before the last one from this video, and as you can see, the markings left on those on the mold is from that piece that I made there. And the markings are caused by UV resin, and that leads me to the conclusion that the UV resin will damage the molds. So the UV resin leaves yeah, matte spots on the mold, and yeah, so you really have to be thinking about in which molds you want to use UV resin and in which ones you don't, because this can be yeah, merely expensive thing to do. I was trying to figure out whether I leave it as is or putting a top coat on it, but ever since this is a bloom, I decided to put a top coat on it because otherwise the bloom would not be as visible as if you have a shiny finish on that. So I will color my background with acrylic paint. I put 2 or 3 layers on top of it just to make sure that it will be an opaque layer, and this will uh, make the bloom in front much better visible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, yeah, press the bell button so you get notified whenever I load up a new video. And this helps me a great deal, and I really appreciate this. Thank you. So, and this is what it looks like with the purple background, and sadly I can't really get my camera to show what I see. Hopefully you see a little bit of that bloom, that it's visible enough to really show up on camera. So I hope I see you in my next video, and until then, bye bye!